Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to download and install Notepad++ on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you need to do is just open up any of your browser, then go to Google and search for download Notepad++. Then just go to the first link. And from here, just select the version of Notepad which you want to download and just click on it. Then just click on the current version. Then just click on download. Then just save it. Just wait for the download to be completed and just click on it when it's completed. Then just click on yes. Then select your language and click on OK. After that, click on next. Then click on I agree. Then select where you want to install it and click on next again. Click on next. Click on install. Then just wait for the installation to be completed and click on finish. And there you go. And that is how to download and install Notepad++ on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.